As urbanization rapidly increases, cities today are facing unprecedented challenges. If we want to maintain the same lifestyle, by 2050 we need to use 1/10 of the energy that we use today. Without proper infrastructure, we face problems of congestion, water crisis, rapid energy use, pollution. Things will layer up and the system might collapse.
Arup was founded 70 years ago. We are engineers, architects, planners and consultants. We love challenges. That's why we're here, that's why I work for Arup. One of the challenges we often find is getting decent information on the site. So we started working to look at how the emerging drone technology might help us to plug some of these information gaps. One of our core strengths is integrating technology. And it goes back to when we designed the structure for the Sydney Opera House. You can see that underlying free thinking and looking at projects in innovative ways is actually new technology to help us achieve what we need to do.
Shenzhen, China is a very special city. 30 years ago, it was just a small fishing village. Today, Shenzhen has a population of almost 13 million people, which creates both a challenge and good learning environment for Arup.
The idea of using drones to help us came out of a few projects that we've done here in Shenzhen. Traditionally, when you're given a site, we have to send out a team of 10-15 people who will go out laboriously and map the land. Where drones have come in is about how can you capture this data much quicker in a three-dimensional form so we can get straight to designing, straight to the ideas. We don't spend time on the stuff that's less important.
In South China, where it's very hot and humid throughout most of the year, we need to make sure that pedestrians had a very comfortable environment. With the Matrice, our in-house environmental sensors can influence our design in very practical ways. For example, model the airflow between buildings, influence the placement of vegetation, even directing the way pedestrians access and walk through our sites.
You can ensure that a city has flexibility to adapt and continue to deliver a great place for people to live.
Traditional building inspections can be invasive and time-consuming. The Zemi's XT thermal cam is very useful for our facade inspection to quickly diagnose air leakages to improve the building's energy efficiency.
What drones can do is help the city to actually understand how it works. And when you have information, city leaders, city designers, city developers can make informed decisions that will help shape a better world. And if we can create cities that are embedded with that idea of working together efficiently to create great places to live and work, then you've got a recipe for enduring human life on Earth.